Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, I'm MagdelineG. If you're a returning subscriber, then you already know that me drafting the princess seam was part of drafting this dress, but I decided that I would upload the princess seam as a separate tutorial in case you're not interested in the dress and you might find this tutorial useful. So I used my fitted bodice block, and it also includes a full bust adjustment, and that tutorial is in the description box as well. So I'm just going to get on with the tutorial now, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Here is the tutorial. So to start, I've drawn around my front bodice piece, and the style line that you can see running from my armhole into my centre front, the curved line, you can just ignore that for this tutorial because that is for the dress. The first thing I've done is I've drawn a line from my front pitch into my bust point, and I've marked a notch on this line so that it matches up when I sew the two pieces together. The thing I did is I moved my waist dart over 1 centimetre towards my centre front, but you do not have to do this step. I've done this because of the seam on the dress. It goes in towards the centre front of the dress, so I moved my dart. But as I said, you do not have to do this step. Next, I cut down one of my dart lines from my shoulder and also cut through my new dart line in my armhole to my bust point and closed my shoulder dart. As you can see at the top of my shoulder line is no longer flush because of my large full bust adjustment, but you can just square this off. Then I cut up the centre of my waist dart, then stuck a piece of paper underneath my bust point so that I could smooth off this line because we've got a pointed angle and we don't want that. Then you want to measure the distance from your bust point to this line that you've just drawn, and mine was 3mm, and because we've come out 3mm, we need to take that off of our side bodice piece. We also need to add some ease into this piece so that it will smooth around the bust and sit comfortably and not flatten your boob. So I've cut along my bust line, stuck another piece of paper underneath this side and measured up 1 centimetre from my bust line, because I'm adding 1 centimetre ease. Then I've stuck this top piece down to the 1 centimetre line, measured in 3mm because that's what the distance was from my bust point to the curved line. So I've come in those 3mm and then shaped this with a curve. Then cut off the excess paper. Next, I placed my two pieces together at the waist, just making sure that they were even, and then I marked a notch so this will match up when I sew it. Then I've walked the pattern up, as you can see with my fingers, to make sure that my 1 centimetre ease is added in, and as you can see the left hand side is now 1 centimetre longer because I've added in 1 centimetre of ease. Then when you sew it, this side will be bigger. As I said, you're going to ease in that 1 centimetre into your princess seam now, and that will give you a nice curve around your bust. Thank you for watching the tutorial, guys. That is how you draft a quick and easy princess seam. I hope it was useful. If you are interested in how I made this dress, then the link is in the description box. So I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.